Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a payment method on Amtrak online. Open the website amtrak.com, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email or guest rewards number and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for My Profile. Click on My Profile. On this page, you will see a Payment Methods tab. Click on Payment Methods. Now, you will see a section from which you could add a credit card. On the following fields, enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. You could also add a card nickname, but it's optional. After entering all the required information, click on Apply. That's how to add a payment method on Amtrak online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.